are going to do numerical from chapter Electricity, class 10. The numerical says the electric circuit in a clothes dryer contains two heaters X and Y in parallel. The circuit diagram shows the circuit connected to 230 volt power supply. When both switches are closed, the current in X is 3.5 amperes. Analyze the circuit given below and answer the following questions. Calculate the power developed in heater X. If the resistance of X is double that of Y, calculate the current in the heater Y. Now students, first of all, we have to keep it in mind about the concept we have studied. In the parallel combination, we have studied what? That the voltage is same and current is different. Voltage is same and current is different. Clear? Now, in the first part, calculate the power developed in heater X we have to find out. So what we will do? We will write down what is given in the numerical. V is 230 V, I is 3.5 amperes. We know the formula P is equal to VI and we will quote the values in this. We will get 230 into 3.5 and then we will solve it and then we get the answer as 805 watt. So power is equal to 805 watt. So this is the answer of the first part done. This was easy. Now the second part says, and please take care about this. If the resistance of X is double that of Y, calculate the current in the heater Y. Now let us take the resistance of Y as X and the resistance of X as 2X. This I have done according to the demand in the numerical. See over here, check again. If the resistance of X is double and then that of Y. So that means if Y resistance is X, so X resistance will be 2X. I'm again repeating this because students do opposite over here. So that is why I'm giving more emphasis over here. Okay, after this, now we also know that we have to calculate the current in heater Y. So the current formula, now I know it very well, I is equal to V upon R. So let us take the current and I told you that the current will be different in both the resistors, right children? So I will take it as I1 is equal to V upon R. Then I will quote the values, that is V is 230. So I have put up 230 over here. And resistance, that means of what beta? Resistance of X is 2X. So I have quoted the values over here 2X. So 230 upon X. So this will be first equation. Now for current I2, what I will do? V upon R, as I know the formula. I will quote the values 230V from here because same. And X, that means of what? X is of resistor Y. So that means I've quoted the value X and this will be equation number 2. Now next step what I will do? I will divide equation 1 by equation 2. I've quoted the values I1 upon I2 is equal to, I've quoted these values over here. Right children? Now look at this. I've quoted the values over here. And then I will do further calculation. After doing the calculation, I got after this is cancelled. X is cancelled. So I'm left with what? I1 upon I2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Right children? And then now I will quote the values of I1 current, that is 3.5 amperes. See children? 3.5 amperes I have quoted upon I2 is equal to 1 upon 2. After doing further calculation, cross multiply, then I get that is I2 is equal to 3.5 into 2. Multiply these two and then I get 7 amperes. This is the way I have calculated the current in heater Y.